Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper toothbrush. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a square piece of paper. So I'm taking green. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that you're supposed to fold the paper little by little until all the paper is over. So you can roll it if you like, but I'm just going to be wrapping it like this. So after we complete this, I'm just taking a glue bottle and I'm applying some glue on the corner part of the paper here. So after we complete this, I'm folding the paper little by little back again and I'm sticking this to this part. So after we complete this, I'm taking a white rectangular piece of paper. So you guys can take a square piece of paper if you like. So this paper is for the bristles. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold this paper in half. Now we have to fold the paper, the left hand side of the paper, in half like this. So after we complete this, I'm folding it in half one more time in this side. Now I'm unfolding it. So after we unfold it, I'm applying some glue onto the first side, on one side of the paper, on half, and I'm sticking it. Now I'm applying some glue on the top part here, and I'm sticking this. So after we complete this, I'm applying some glue one more time, and I'm sticking the top part. So now we'll have a thick and strong white rectangular piece of paper like this. So I just wanted to make this small, so you guys can make it even a little bigger if you like, but this size will be perfect for a toothbrush. So after we complete this, I'm taking a scissor and I'm just cutting the paper until the top, but we should not cut it on the top because it will break into thin pieces. So I'm just leaving a little bit of space at the top and I'm cutting it until that, like this. So we have to repeat the same step until the top part of the paper. So be careful while using a scissor because you might cut your hands. So we have to be careful. So you guys can do it slowly. So I'm just going to be cutting it one more time at the corner. So you guys can cut it even more small if you like, but I think that this size will be perfect. So after we complete this, we'll have a comb-like structure, which are supposed to be the bristles. So after we complete this, I'm turning the green paper that we did before to the opposite side and applying some glue onto the top part here. So now I'm sticking this part on top of it. So after we stick it, we have to turn the paper to the opposite side and we have to press on it from the top. So after we complete this, our paper toothbrush will be ready. So you guys can do more decorations to it to make it more beautiful. So you guys can write clean teeth or you can decorate it. So before I conclude, I'm just pressing on it on this side so that it will be more round and look like a realistic toothbrush. So you can use your own creativity and decorate it. So our paper toothbrush is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. Bye!